SKIDATA sweb control is an efficiency booster that helps operators centralize and semi-automate operations of all their car parks to provide consistently high services to their parking guests across all car parks with shorter reaction times and at lower cost. Hi, my name is Fabian and I'm Product Manager for Parking Systems at SKIDATA. In this session, I will show you how sweb control can help you monitor your car parks, flexibly adapting to all kinds of work environments, from large multi-screen setups at national control rooms down to a home office laptop or even a smartphone, and how you can use it to provide better service to your parking guests consistently and across all your car parks. In addition, my colleague Gerald will explain how the SKIDATA customer portal allows you to easily and efficiently involve the SKIDATA service organization in cases where you want to work together with the local SKIDATA service teams. We like automation. Car park operators try to automate the operations of their car parks, and we at SKIDATA take pride in continuously striving to provide the best possible solutions for smooth and hassle-free automated car park management that go far beyond automated ticket dispensers, barriers, and pay machines, as we'll hopefully see from this and other sessions. That being said, there continue to be exception cases that require manual intervention. From parkers who lose their ticket or forget to pay, to more energetic parkers who break off a barrier arm, to system failures such as a wrong recognized license plate number, a ticket jam at a dispenser, or a parking counter giving a wrong occupancy figure. Wouldn't it be great if there was an easy way to handle such cases in a lightning fast and user-friendly manner, with a system that gives you just the right tools when you need them and where you need them, and even help you further automate the process? Let me show you how sweb control can present the right information from the right sources to the right members of your staff just in the right moment, when and at the right place where they need it, to help you boost your car park operations efficiency and standardize service at a high, excellent level across all your car parks. Sweb Control's user interface has been designed to dynamically adapt to the car park situation to put just the right information and controls that an operator needs in a given situation at their fingertips. For example, the frame on the right-hand side is what we call the context pane. For exit lanes, this shows information such as frequently used device commands, such as open barrier and video feeds from any linked CCTV cameras. Now let's say a rejection occurs because a parker tries to leave without payment. This immediately adds the relevant rejection info to the context pane, which can also be clicked to access more details. Similarly, with the upcoming license plate integration, operators will be able to see at a quick glance from the context pane which plate number is at a gate and whether it has been recognized correctly, as well as click this item for more information about this vehicle. For other selections, the context pane of course also adapts accordingly. For car parks, for example, it shows counter information and gives operators very easy access to modify those counters. Speaking of car parks, of course, sweb control is not limited to just one car park, but lets you control all of your car parks and facilities from a single application, with the option to navigate via a compact navigation pane, a more complex device tree, or a graphical map view. Operators can stay on top of even hundreds of car parks. As a SKIDATA sweb service, sweb control can of course be used from anywhere with an internet connection and a browser. Be it from a national control room, a local back office at a car park, a work-at-home place, or even by our service technician on the road, driving between multiple sites. The same application flexibly scales across all kinds of device types and setups, from large control room environments with multiple screens hanging on the wall, down to desktop workstations or tablets or even mobile phones. That way, operators always have the right information at their fingertips to stay on top of their car parks and provide excellent and fast support to their parking guests. All this is not limited to only SKIDATA parking systems. Sweb Control also lets you monitor and control other and third-party products, which includes anything from parking subsystems such as intercom and CCTV to non-parking systems such as fire alarms, as well as parking systems from other vendors than SKIDATA. Thanks to this, operators do not only get the right information from their parking systems at their fingertips, but also from all the other systems that play a role in serving their parking guests. Take an intercom call as an example. A contract parker is stuck in front of an entry gate and pushes the intercom button to ask for help. Not only is this parker inconvenienced, it is a busy time for your car park, and behind him others are starting to queue up. With Sweb Control, you not only hear your intercom ringing, but also immediately see the incoming call in the application, as well as any other calls that may be coming in from other locations at the same time. You answer the call from Sweb Control or via the intercom, and this does a number of things to make the process as fast and convenient as possible. It establishes the call, it jumps to the call's originating device, and it opens a call window. This window lets you see the video feed to better interact with your guests, as well as control the call, so drop the call or always navigate to the call's originating device. You can continue working in the back, and right now, since the right device is already automatically selected, all the operator has to do is look at the context pane and get an overview of the situation. In this case, it may be that the parker is a contract parker who has been blocked at the entry because of wrong presence information. So all the operator needs to do is click on the command buttons right next to it to set the contract parker to neutral and let him enter. That way, the operator can help the parker very fast. You might notice he has all the information needed to help him before he has even spoken a single word to the contract parker calling for help. This holistic solution to control not individual but all relevant systems not only helps reaction times, but also makes training for an operator staff much simpler. Your staff only needs to learn Sweb Control, regardless of what system and how many different systems you use. With the right information at your fingertips, you want to make it as fast and easy as possible for you to take the right action. Sweb Control utilizes a powerful automation and workflow engine. It takes the information it receives from the connected systems, such as your parking management systems, and processes them based on a configured rule set. There are some tasks that people like to fully automate this way, such as opening all exit barriers in case a third-party system gives an alarm. That way, operators profit from immediate reaction times and guaranteed service consistency, regardless of time or location. For tasks that require a person to do something, Sweb Control automatically generates a work ticket, a task. These are prioritized work items and, based on user groups and roles, are presented to the relevant members of your staff. These can then use a number of commands to process the task. For example, they can claim a task, meaning that now a specific person is working on them, it won't show up for others to claim. They can start a task which they have claimed, they can pause it, they can stop it, either because it is done, or they can just unclaim it and stop it if they cannot finish a task and need somebody else to help. They could also forward it to other groups. So for example, your back office staff cannot handle something which needs to be done in the field, so it can be sent to the field, or it could be directly delegated to a service team member. For example, if service technicians are on the road, a back office manager can directly send a task to this service technician's mobile phone for him to go and address the issue. Finally, these tasks can also be commented on for different members of the staff to share information between the individual steps. Of course, all these task stages are logged and can be accessed in reports to benchmark performance across your car parks and operations. To make sure that no task is overlooked, Sweb Control offers comprehensive notification features. You can send information about tasks via email or SMS, as well as use the in-application notifications on your computer, tablet or mobile phone. All this is fully configurable. That being said, sweb control does come out of the box and free of charge with tasks templates that have been defined based on the best practice experience of SKIDATA's service teams. That way, sweb control helps you ensure that the right action is taken fast. SKIDATA sweb control is an efficiency booster that will help you standardize the service across all your car parks at a high level.